Hello everyone, and in this video I'll be showing you 5 Unity tips that will help you in your game dev journey. Tip number 1. If you ever wanted to serialize a variable so you can edit it from the inspector without turning it into public, simply use the .serializedField attribute. This will serialize the variable so you can edit it in the inspector while being private. Tip number 2. If you ever wanted to change a variable name without actually losing the value for it, simply use the formerly known as attribute. I'm going to put here 15, and remember you need the Unity engine.serialization for this, so I'm going to use formerly serialized as. I'm going to put the old name, make sure to copy paste that, and there we go. I changed the name of the variable, use the formerly serialized as speed, and there we go. The value is still 15, so I kept the value. Tip number 3. If you ever wanted to call a function using the editor, we're going to use the Unity editor for this, and we're going to put the menu item. This will simply allow us to call the function while we are in editor, therefore we don't need the play mode. There you go, you see the click here, click to that. Let me go to the console, it's empty, and there we go. Let me do that again. As you can see, this will help test in functions while you're not in play mode. Tip number 4. If you're using tags or layers in your game and you get a high count of tags or layers that they become so many, simply use sublayers or subtag. Simply every time you want to add a layer or even a tag, simply add the name of your layer or tag, then use a backslash for this and put the second name. And there we go, we have a sublayer here. Also work for tag. Tip number 5. Have you ever wanted to edit a scene without actually opening it? You see we have 3 knights here. I'm going to open this scene, which is actually empty. I'm going just to drag drop this scene here. As you can see, the scene here is loaded. I'm going to delete this knight, same as going to delete this, leave us with 1. Now I'm going to save our scene. I'm going to remove it from our hierarchy. Now let's open it. And as you can see, what we are done is now being saved. This will be very easy if you want to edit multiple scenes without opening each one at a time. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and would like to see you next time.